Good evening, everybody. Dense fog has really settled in, and the reason is it's warmed up. We have a cold ground. I mean, remember last week we barely had daytime highs in the 20s. Therefore, our ground is very cold, but the air above it now very warm. That contrast is letting that warm air condense immediately above the ground, and what we're finding is just these low clouds. We call it fog. Visibility is less than a quarter of a mile, and with temperatures in the 50s, that fog has become very thick. We've got dense fog advisories. I'll pick a random county here, Vigo here, and what we've got is a dense fog advisory until 4 a.m. So what that means is that all night tonight along I-70 and north where this fog is going to be thick. It gets a little bit worse the farther north you travel up to Lafayette or Fort Wayne. Not as bad the farther south you travel, and again the reason is the ground down around Evansville not as cold as what we've got here, but the air again, just really warming up for everybody outside. This is your severe storm risk. You're going to see this a lot this spring season, but yeah, we have to talk about this in January because what we've got is the risk for severe thunderstorms late tomorrow night into early Wednesday morning. It's going to get cold again, but in the meantime, it's going to be very warm outside tomorrow. The contrast of those two air masses going to give us the threat for thunderstorms late tomorrow night. What we've got outside right now and what we saw today were some rain showers. The rain showers out there right now are mainly to the north and to the west of us. They're not producing any thunder and lightning right now, but that's where we need to focus our attention tomorrow is out west. We're going to see thunderstorms develop there, and you'll see that line evident here in about 10 hours or so on the Futurecast. We get into 7 a.m. tomorrow morning, some scattered rain, mid-50s. Just doesn't cool off at all tonight. You'll see this line become a little more organized again in the afternoon tomorrow. Temperatures ahead of that mid-60s, so a very warm day tomorrow, but don't be fooled by those warm temperatures. That cold air is on its way. It's going to be out to the west, and ahead of that, between the two air masses, that's where we get thunderstorms developing. So about this time tomorrow night, 10 o'clock, we're going to be tracking a line of thunderstorms from Chicago to St. Louis. It moves eastward and does not lose steam. When it's going to be this warm, it doesn't lose steam overnight. They typically do, but when we have the air mass in place that we've got, experience has taught me that's holding together. And the real trick of this is, one, it's in January. We're not used to seeing severe weather. And two, it's going to happen in the middle of the night while most of us are sleeping. So we need to watch things tomorrow. I'll track it for you. All the information will be here as well as at WTHI-TV.com. Temperatures behind this front are going to be much colder, but the threat for severe thunderstorms, gusty winds, frequent lightning, and heavy rain will be around all tomorrow night into the early morning hours of Wednesday. So 55. That's our overnight low tonight. That's not bad. That's actually a very nice warm afternoon, and that's going to be the coldest we see tonight. 65 tomorrow, rain showers, a few of them with gusty south winds. Isolated severe storms are expected tomorrow night, and much colder behind this. Even a chance for a light wintry mix on Wednesday when we go from 66 tomorrow, 45 on Wednesday to 25 for your high on Thursday. So again, there's the